In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for real estate. Start by going to the Trello website and logging into your account. Once you're in, click Create, and then choose Create New Board. For the board name, enter Real Estate Deal Tracker, then click Create. This gives you one central place to manage leads, follow-ups, property activity, and close deals without everything getting scattered across messages, notes, and spreadsheets. If your new board opens with any pre-added lists, go ahead and remove them so you can build a clean workflow from scratch. After that, click Add Another List and type Leads, then press Enter. Add your next list and name it Contacted. Then create Viewing Scheduled, followed by Negotiation, and finally Close. These lists represent the typical stages of a real estate deal, so your board becomes a simple visual pipeline you can scan in seconds. Now go to the Leads list and click Add a Card. Enter the property or client information, then click Add Card. Keep the card title clear and easy to recognize so you can quickly identify it later. Once the card is created, click on it to open the full details. Inside the card, start organizing the deal. Use members to assign team members so everyone knows who is responsible for that lead or property. Add labels to categorize the card by property type, deal size, or priority. This makes it much easier to filter and spot important opportunities quickly, especially when your board starts filling up. Next, add checklists for tasks like calls, emails, and viewings. This is helpful because it breaks the process into small trackable actions, so nothing gets missed during follow-up. Then add due dates for important follow-ups or deadlines. This keeps your pipeline moving and helps you stay on top of time-sensitive deals. As the deal progresses, drag the card across the lists. Move it from leads to contacted, then to viewing scheduled, then negotiation, and finally closed when the deal is complete. This is where Trello becomes especially useful for real estate, because you can visually track where every opportunity stands without opening a bunch of separate files. Review the board regularly to track all deals efficiently, and make sure no lead is sitting too long without action. A quick daily or weekly review can help you catch delays, prioritize next steps, and keep your process consistent. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. One helpful tip is to keep your card details updated as soon as something changes, rather than waiting until later. That way, your board stays accurate and useful for both you and your team. When used consistently, this setup gives you a simple, organized system for managing real estate activity from first contact all the way to closing.